Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to control and protect your likeness in OpenAI Sora. That means making sure that your face, your voice, and your personal identity are not used in AI generated videos without your permission. So let's get started. So you can head over to sora.chatgpt.com for that and log in into your account if you were not logged in. And what you need to understand is that likeness includes your face, voice, name, and other identifying traits that make your content look like you. So Sora's video generation model can create realistic people, but it cannot use or clone a real person's likeness without the consent. So how do we control it? If you try to control it, how do you do it? So for that, once you open up sora.chatgpt.com, here you can just go over and in this image section and describing your image section. If you're trying to upload an image, let's say image, make sure that you are, choose from library or even uploading from your device. You are not uploading any kind of real photos or videos of yourself if you're using Sora for testing. So if you think someone used their likeness without permission, if you want to control it, what you can do is you can, instead of here, you can just go over to help.sora.com. So just go ahead and go over there, or go to help.openai.com and hit enter. If you think if somebody has used your likeness without your permission, you can go over to the official website of OpenAI, go to their help center. And once you are here, you can just go ahead and submit a likeness removal or copyright. You can report the content or misuse. So you can just go ahead and report it so that the ChatGPT or OpenAI will take it down. You can go over to their page and contact them directly, and that way you can just go ahead and have it taken down or blocked using OpenAI Help Center. Apart from that, while you are using Sora, always use AI generated characters or stock avatars. You can see even in the main homepage, nobody is using a real face. They are using something that is unrealistic. For example, these characters right here, even these characters, and even this painting right here, you can see how people are using. And never mimic a real person's voice or appearance, and also add a disclaimer like this video was generated using AI, no real people were used, and you can just go ahead and follow it up. Also, OpenAI is still rolling out Sora, so policies and tools for likeness control may expand. So you can stay safe, and always you can check off the official Sora website and OpenAI blog for new posts that should be available regarding likeness. And that's it, everybody. That's how you control your likeness in OpenAI Sora, keeping your identity secure while exploring the creative side of AI video generation. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others stay safe with AI tools. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.